how cute that is. Oh, 250 peso because it was on sale. So it's made of wood and steel. And ta-da! Got a blender, guys. I'm also gonna try to put something here. What can you guys recommend? That's how it should be looking. Yeah, so finally we have the tank and good morning, everyone. How are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing amazing. Today is the weekend, so happy weekend. It's Saturday today. And yeah, the reason why I was not able to upload a video, that's actually because I was in the city trying to get a few furnitures. And yes, guys, I got some new furnitures that I'm going to share with you later on. But for now, it is 7 a.m. It is very cold because we do have a storm, and I think Cebu is on signal number 1. And when we arrived here last night, oh my gosh, it was actually blackout. It's so freaking dark. Good thing that I have my lamp, which can be operated using a battery. So yeah, anyway, let's try to check out the outside, guys. Look. Oh my god, it is actually very windy. It's so dull today. Also, guys, I just want to share, Bingo was supposed to go home last night, and because of the storm that we have here in Cebu, her boat trip has been canceled. And I felt so bad for her because she's been like really wanting and eager to go home because it's Christmas and, you know, she can be with her family. And so she did all of the requirements, the swab test, the travel test and everything, and it has just been canceled because of the storm. Anyway, look at this, guys. This is the current situation right now. Look how foggy it is. It is very windy. It is also cold. And by the way, guys, the house is a total mess because of the furnitures. I have not opened them yet, but yeah, we're gonna try to figure that out today because oh my gosh, I have been so busy. When I'm always in the city, I'll be so busy because I just need to like get a few things. And yes, I would wanna like vlog, but you know, it's just a hassle because I'm gonna like go from here to there, and you know, it's hard to pop the camera in, and like I have all this stuff in my hands. Anyway, that's why when I'm going to the city, I'd always end up not having a vlog because I'm just gonna be so busy. I got a few stuff again. We are going to start with the tank. So I already have the tank, guys. I ordered this last week, I think, and now it arrived. So I'm gonna show it to you. Finally, I have been waiting for this tank. Look at this. Ta-da! I just put it here in the terrace for now since it's very muddy outside. So that's the tank. This tank is, I think, 500 liters. Yeah, I'm not quite sure. And it cost me 5,980. So that's like 6,000 pesos, almost 6,000 pesos. And yeah, they delivered this in my apartment, and then I had to hire a truck to get this and some of the stuff I have left in my apartment to bring it here. That's why the house is still so messy. But yeah, let me give you guys a quick look of the tank. So that's how it's looking. It's quite big, I think. Yeah, it says here it is 500 liters. Yeah, so finally we have the tank, and I need to actually have something where to put it. So we need to have a concrete or maybe a metal one to put the tank up. Alright guys, so I got this clothes rack. It's actually a double pole. That's how it should be looking. Well, I ordered this long time ago. I don't know, I think that was still last year, and this is the only time that I was able to open it. Look guys, it still has the bubble wrap and all. I got 2, by the way, because I'm thinking of putting one inside my room and then the other one on the outside, because if it's raining I can like put it on the terrace area. Alright, I was able to finally figure it out. I have finished assembling it. This rack is actually highly adjustable, so you can adjust it here if you want it very long or what, but I just want it to be like that because if I'm gonna make it very tall, then it would look so cramped here in the room. So yeah, at least I have some rack here in the inside, like some of the clothes that I'm going to wear the next day or whatnot, so I can like hang it in there. So I also went to Metro. I've been a loyal Metro customer. Anyway, so here's the thing that I got. I finally got a blender. Oh my gosh, because I do have a blender, but it's like a very small one wherein you can only do a smoothie for like not a lot of ice. Like you need to really crush the ice. It's very small, so I decided to get a bigger one because the kids here, they would always ask me like, Ate Meljean, let's do some shake, da-di-da, and I don't have one. So finally I got here. This is from Metro again, and I think I got this for 2,000 peso. That's like 40 US dollars. So let's try to open it. Got a blender, guys. Nice. I love it. It's actually very heavy. It's good. And then it also comes with this little one. This is for like if you want to blend your garlic or whatever, so you can blend it in this very small one. So yeah, we have here this air freshener. I think this is like 100 peso, so like this. Let's go ahead and try it, by the way. Okay, let's try it, guys. That smells good. It smells like rose petal, which is I like. It's very mild, not too strong for your nose. Okay, and then I have this thing. It's like a tablecloth that you can put like in the middle of your table. So it's like, it looks like this, like that. It's got leaves on and it's color yellow green. And I got this for 399 pesos. So we're gonna set this up later on. And then I also got this anti-slip mat. Well, yeah, I'm actually not gonna use it as a slip mat. I'm gonna use it to put the burner because I love the color. It's brown. And I put the burner on top of the box, a cardboard, which is not so pleasing for me. So I decided to get this one. I like it as well because it's brown. And then next thing that I got, guys, I have here 2 towel. It's color beige, 250 peso because it was on sale. So I got 2. Well, I already have a towel, but my sister, sometimes she is going to take a shower here, so I have some spare ones. So also if I have some visitor, I can let them use these as well. And then next I have here this cloth. I'm actually gonna use this to cover the kitchen counter, like below the countertop, because it looks so messy, guys. So yeah, I decided to get brown as well because it goes with the color of my sofa set. So look, it really blended in. So yeah, we're gonna try to cover our countertop, guys, because it's very messy. You know, I would want to put some shelves in there underneath so that it would look nice. We'll put some cover in it as well and we'll paint it white so it will be clean. But we're gonna do that on a later time. Alright, that's it for the stuff that I got from Metro, guys. And then I went to Unitop. I got some little knickknacks as well. These are like decors, I would say. So let me just grab it. Right, the next thing, guys, I got this from Unitop. This is a 4 set of bed sheet. It should look like this. It's like a combination of gray and pink, and I love this. And I got this for supposedly 399 peso, but it's got 10% off, so I don't know how much that is now. Alright, the next thing that I got is this. Look at this, guys. It's so cute. This is like something that you can hang in the kitchen because it's kitchen rule. So if you guys are gonna drop by here in my humble abode, please read this. Just kidding. Alright, next I have here some Santa Claus hat. We have 1, 2, 3. That's me, Scarlett, my sister. We're gonna use this for our Christmas gift giving that will be happening soon. So again, I need to go back to the city to get all of the stuff that we're gonna give to the families here, and of course for the kids. The next thing that I got from Unitip, guys, is this. Look how cute that is. Oh my gosh. It says flowers and garden. This is artificial. This is fake one, but the reason why I got this is because it's very low maintenance, and if I'm gonna be traveling, I cannot have like real plants inside a house. So I'm gonna put this here inside the house. I got 1, 2 of the same design, I mean color. And then 3, I got a yellow one here. It looks so nice with the bucket design. So we got 4. And then last, I have here a straightener. This is for the toilet. And then I have here 2 pail, small pail. I got 2. This is for 99 pesos. By the way, these plants, guys, is 189 pesos from Unitop. There's a lot of options you can get from Unitop, actually, if you want some fake plants. This is just the one I really like. And then I also got some furnitures, guys. Alright guys, so the first furniture that I got from Unitop is this TV stand. Over here, it's color brownish. And then it's made of wood and steel. And yeah, I love it actually. So I can put all the plants that I got over here and some magazines or whatnot. And finally guys, I got my TV. That's how it's looking. I got it from my mom's store because I already have a TV stand. This is just what I was waiting for, to be honest. And again, this is not smart TV. And a lot of you guys are so nice to actually recommend me to do a workaround or like a makeshift to make it a smart TV, or not really smart TV, but at least you can connect it to Netflix. So I truly appreciate you guys' recommendations. So I'm gonna try to look for that Chromecast or Roku or whatever that is. I truly appreciate it. Thank you guys for all your suggestions. So yeah, I'm gonna try to buy that so that we can already watch a lot of movies here on this TV. And this TV stand, guys, is 2,500 peso, which is $50 US. So yeah, it's such a steal. And the next thing that I got, guys, is this TV cabinet-ish, but I'm gonna be using this as like a console table. So this is how it's looking. And this one is also 2,500 peso, so that's 50 US. I like it. I like also the color of it because it's just like a natural wood. And since we are here in the countryside, I love something natural. So I'm gonna try to open this for you guys so we can have some storage in here, and then we can put something here as well, and then we have here some storage, so that's good. I'm also gonna try to put something here. What can you guys recommend? Let me know. So I'm thinking of trying to put some frame in there or whatnot, or some pictures. Just comment you guys' suggestions because you guys have the best ideas. And the next thing that I got, guys, is this table over here. I decided to get a table so we can also try to dine here in the terrace area. So this is going to be here in the terrace, and this is like a rattan kind of material, and I love it. And I got this for 2,000 pesos, so that's like 40 US. So yeah, that's how it's looking. Though I was not able to get some chairs for this because the chair that they got is not really looking nice, and it doesn't look sturdy. So yeah, this is what I got for now. Hello everyone, I'm pretty tired. I spent a few hours actually trying to sort out this house. Oh my gosh. Also, I just finished editing a new video for you guys. Hopefully you can watch it soon. I know we don't have video for 2 days already. Anyway, my papa, he was cooking or preparing some sweet corn. By the way, guys, I already put the, what do you call this? Please let me know. I don't know still, but it's like a tablecloth. But yeah, look, it is steaming hot. This is the sweet corn that we got here in the country. And Syra is there. Hi. And then, by the way, I've already arranged my new furniture, guys. That's how it's looking. So I got my TV over there. And then, look at the fake plants that I have. I put it there and then here on the side. And I think it looks cute. What do you guys think? Let me know. And please suggest what can I put there in this area and then on the other side. And then here I have the console cabinet. And then, you know, I put there the towel, and then here I put like the blenders and all. Yes. Hey guys, it is evening time now, and yes, I am still in my pajama. I am not feeling it today. I did not take a shower, but you know, you will have those days that you just don't wanna do anything. Well, I kinda did a lot today and I'm very tired. Anyway, I'm just gonna go ahead and end the vlog here, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Please subscribe to the channel. And as always, I will see you guys on my next one. Don't forget to smile and be happy. Bye!